Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Pytorch Geometric, PyG, is a library built on top of Pytorch that provides tools for working with graph-structured data. While traditional graph neural networks, GNNs, typically focus on static graphs, recurrent graph neural networks, rgnns, can be used to model dynamic graphs or sequences of graphs, making them suitable for temporal graph data. Tutorial on recurrent graph neural networks with Pytorch Geometric. Prerequisites. Before we start, ensure you have the following installed: Python 3.x, Pytorch, Pytorch Geometric. You can install Pytorch and PyG by following the instructions on their respective websites. For Pytorch Geometric, you can use Overview. In this tutorial, we'll cover 1. Setting up a simple dataset. 2. Creating a recurrent graph neural network model. 3. Training the model. 4. Making predictions. We'll implement a simple rgnn that can be used for node classification on a temporal graph. Step 1. Setting up a simple dataset. For demonstration purposes, we will create a synthetic dataset where nodes have features and edges represent connections over time. Step 2. Creating a recurrent graph neural network model. We will define a simple rgnn using LSTM for temporal data handling along with gnn layers. Step 3. Training the model. Next, we will train our model using a simple mean-squared error loss for regression tasks or cross-entropy loss for classification tasks. Step 4. Making predictions. Finally, you can use the trained model to make predictions on new data. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we created a simple recurrent graph neural network using Pytorch Geometric. We set up a synthetic dataset of temporal graphs, defined a model that incorporates gnn layers and LSTM for handling temporal information, trained the model, and made predictions. You can extend this example by using real-world datasets, improving the model architecture, or implementing more complex tasks such as link prediction or temporal node classification. Happy coding!